Hello and welcome. My name is David Otamode. Thanks for clicking through to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are really amazing. If you're just joining for the first time, I want to say thank you and welcome to my channel. My channel is about creating t-shirts, designs that sell for print on demand, not just t-shirts for print on demand, designs that sell for print on demand, designs on t-shirts, on marks, on phone cases, on bags, on anything available on print on demand sites. These designs work on them all. Yes, I've done my research, so I know that for sure, and I'm here to just create my design for you, showing you how to create this design easily, simple, using canva.com. and then you can go about creating similar designs, just changing little things. You don't need to change everything on the design, just change little things, or use it for inspiration for your own designs and just create your own design. So without talking much and grumbling, please subscribe if you've not subscribed, like, share this video if you've not done that already, and let's go straight right into it. I'm going to open canva.com. Canva.com is a very simple site you can use for your design. They have a mobile app, but I like to use my system so I can see things clearly for myself. So I'm going to click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. This design is going to be super easy, super easy. So if you expect it to be super short, the video is going to be super short. I expect you to watch it to the very end. Don't skip any part of this video, just watch it to the very end if you want to learn how to make 100 to 1000 plus passive income in dollars, pounds, or euros, depending on which country you're from. Just stick around. So now I'm just going to click on text, just find a plain text for this one. We're going to find a plain text for this one. So I'll use this one, make it a little bit bigger. So to do that, I'll move my cursor to this edge or any of these four edges and just press down my left mouse click button and drag outwards like so, and I'll move it like that. So this one is going to say, this first one is going to say, it's going to say I am currently, so I'm going to say currently so let's just make it bigger a bit. Let's make it bigger a bit. So it's gonna say current. Okay, it's not yet currently. Why it's missing from that? Okay, we have it now in there. So it says I'm currently onboarded unsurprised. Okay, let's do that. So let's do onboarded. So as you can see, it says I'm currently onboarded. Hold on, let me pause this. So as we were going, say I'm currently onboarded. So now we can just reduce this. We can reduce this. So you see this smaller text, you can just change that to try me and see. So we can just have that as try me and see. So now we have that as currently onboarded. We increase that a bit again, just like so. So now we have it like that. But the try me and see is quite small, so we're gonna click on the full one on group layer, click outside, click on the try me and see alone, and just increase that and move it So we'll do that again, just so that we can see it clearly, like so. So it says I'm currently onboarded, try me and see. It's a simple design, not so complicated. Not so complicated. It's super only onboarded. Try me and see. So now I would advise you to get Canva Pro. You don't want the white background. If you are serious about print on demand, you're serious about uploading your designs to Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, Madban, Amazon, you don't want to be creating design for just one color of shirt. So please make sure you get Canva Pro. I got you covered. Now let me show you something. You see, you need Canva Pro to get transparent background with Canva. But I got you covered. The first link in the description, you see Canva Pro 30 days. Click on that link, sign up with that link. They're not going to take your cash. They are not going to take your cash. I can promise you that they are not going to take your cash. You're going to get Canva Pro for 1 month, 30 days free on me. And you can create as much design as you want. Canva Pro, by the way, is super cheap. At the end of the first month, just in case you want to continue paying for it, it's super cheap. You keep paying for it because you find out you start to make money in no time, and you will not need to stop your subscription. So it's super cheap. So click on download. Allow that download. It's going to prepare your download. Just wait for this process to be done. Wait for this process to be done and finished, and you are good to go. So now always make sure you check that your design came in properly and it's ready for you. So you see our design is there. Imagine this on your shirt. It's going to be super cool, super calm. So to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist to watch more design videos from me. With that said, I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. One love.